Hello guys, and welcome to Scott Router. Let's get into how can we unlock our accounts which are temporarily locked by Facebook. So all you need to do is to go to your Facebook app. Actually, I would like to tell you that I'm using a mouse. Hope you're seeing it. So just observe where the mouse goes, and that's where I'll be clicking. I still remind you to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscription button below this video, and then you'll be able to be receiving good information from me always. Now this is my account. It was locked, okay, and if I enter the password, let me enter the password. So I'm done with entering the password, and after entering the password, so now I to do login. Okay, so we click login, and then oops, I've entered the wrong password. I've entered another password, so let's get into it. Let's click login. Oops, you are saying log into your account, and you first have to confirm your identity. Okay, my account was locked because of some issues, so we are going to unlock it together. Okay, so there we are. They will give you some information which you need to verify. So we are going to verify that details, that information. Okay. The internet is kind of slow. So they are telling us if you are trying to log into Facebook from an app. So if you are trying to log into Facebook from any app on your phone, stock, tablet, or other device, or if the profile above isn't yours, please press cancel. Otherwise, press to confirm to continue. So by saying otherwise, they are meaning if it's yours. Okay, if it's yours. They used some critical, some kind of literature here, but we are going. So all we need to do is to confirm our account. The account is yours. Hope you're seeing the screen well. Okay, so after clicking next, so we let it load. It's loading. Hope you're seeing it here. So we have deactivated suspicious activity on your account. So what happened to this account? So everyone should be asking, why was this account deactivated? So this account was deactivated because of I started doing marketing issues on my account by sharing lots of information. Sharing, I mean not posting but sharing. So because it wasn't common on this account, because I've not been using it for like some good months, so Facebook suspects that there could be some other issues. One of the factors, one of why this Facebook was deactivated is because of that, and all we need to do is to follow what they are telling us. The other reasons why your account can be locked is logging in from different internet protocols, that is IP addresses. Today from this one, and then mostly when you're using your VPN, and unfortunately it's what I am using right now because of some issues. So we are going to deactivate it, to activate it. So all we need to do is to click continue. Okay, so they are telling me to choose a security. How do you want to confirm? So for this way, they are giving me only one option, so I will need to select me a code to my phone number. So this is my number, this is my number. Okay, that one is my number. So I'm going to say, and now this is one of the advantages of adding two numbers onto your Facebook account. One, let me show you one. This number ending with 84, I already forgot it. That is it. Actually, I'm not forgetting, but I lost the SIM card and I cannot replace that SIM card for some reasons. So because I added a second number which I'm in possession now, so I'll click continue. and what Facebook does is going to send me a verification message onto my number. So let's get into it as we are waiting for the confirmation message. Yeah, let's wait for the confirmation message. Now we have entered our verification pin. They have sent it to us, and now all we need to do is select continue. Okay, after selecting continue, and then we have, it looks like some changes were made onto your account. Will help you to change your password. Look at the recent changes, password, review your phone numbers, comments, and commerce posts. So now we are going to just click continue. Okay, and then what next? They'll tell us to select, they'll tell us to choose, like to input our new password. So now all you need to do is to type and enter the new password you feel like you want. So now I'm done with entering the new password. So our next step is to click continue, but I would like to show you some statement here. Please create a new account, create a new one that you don't use anywhere else. So many people, you find that many people having different accounts, like Facebook, if not Gmail, Yahoo, and any other social media account, or even like on PayPal and other banking systems. So you find that people use the same password which they use anywhere, and that is a very big mistake. Okay, that's why they say elsewhere. So you can use a password, different passwords. At least you change by one character. You never know, maybe such that they can be different. If someone hacks into one, gets to know your password for one account, you will never know the other. Okay, so at least the others are secured. That is what you should be. Maybe one of the other things you should learn from this video. Now let's click continue. Progress, you must enter password twice. Oops, I've done a mistake. So let's enter it the second time. Now all we need to do is click continue. And after clicking continue, so let it load. They're asking us which isn't or aren't your correct phone numbers. These numbers are mine, so I have to click continue. Okay, please delete the recent comment. So I want to tell you that this is the comment which caused issues with my account, and it is having a link that is a YouTube link. Okay, so these are the things which Facebook doesn't want in links, in comments, and mostly links. Okay, you avoid links in your Facebook comments, because most times you end up your account getting locked if that page is not yours. Okay, but you can put links on your account, that is okay, in your comments, if the post is yours. But if it is not, don't dare. Let's click continue. Let us know which post you didn't create. I created this post. I was so let me just click continue. Oops, now hope you see our account is already is unlocked, and they are saying all done, thanks for taking time to secure your account. And then we get into our news feeds. So as you're waiting for it to load, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscription button below. Yeah, you'll be getting great information from me, and always like this one. So if you've liked this, put a comment. If you've not understood, if you like to know any other thing else, you can put in the comment box below. I'll be able to receive you and I will reply to you.